Woodborough Art Group was founded by Shirley Hoskins in 1980, meeting together and enjoying painting. And from there, we've progressed to about 12 members now at the moment. Amongst us, we have various styles, and we try not to be influenced too much by one another. So we try not to copy and go along and try and find our own way through a painting, and that seems to work pretty well. In the process of doing this, we've actually found that some of our members are quite willing to actually have a go and show us what they're doing, which is quite exciting.
I'm the very newest budding artist here in the group, and a neighbour introduced me, and I'm very grateful to him for that. I can completely reinforce that they're a very friendly group, and it's wonderful to work alongside experienced artists. It's lovely. It's one of the highlights of my week.
The reason why I'm coming to Thursday morning's art group in Woodborough is simply because I love it. I love painting and I love meeting my friends. To me it's relaxing and it's the highlight of the week.
This is my present day painting, which is a portrait of my mother-in-law as a young lady, which God bless her, if she were here today I'm sure she'd like it. And the one below that, or at the back of it, is a landscape that I did 21 years ago. And those who can paint will see the difference in quality from the portrait to the landscape. This is quite amateur, but what I should point out is that when I painted that, to me it was like my little Picasso. I really enjoyed doing it and I thought it was brilliant at the time, and that's the main thing.
I'm a new member here, and it's been fabulous trying to develop my skills and learn from other people, as well as help other people who are new to it. We're really encouraging, and it's part of what Woodborough Art Group is about.
So if you feel inclined to join the Woodborough Art Group, we meet every Thursday at 10 o'clock until 12:30, and we feel that you'd like to come along and just have a go, you'd be very welcome. There'll be someone there to actually show you what we need to do if you're not really experienced, and beginners are very welcome.